Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use max drag in Fishing Planet. Max drag represents the maximum force your reel can exert on a fish, directly impacting your ability to land those trophy catches. Understanding this setting is crucial for preventing line breakage and protecting your valuable equipment. It's a fundamental aspect of successful angling, allowing you to control powerful fish effectively. To set your drag, navigate to your reel settings in the inventory. A general guideline is to set your drag to about 75 to 80% of your fishing line's test strength. For example, with a 10-pound line, set your drag to 7 or 8 pounds. This provides ample power while minimizing the risk of snapping your line during a tough fight. Max drag is most effective when you're battling exceptionally large or aggressive fish. It allows you to quickly turn a fish away from snags or obstacles, preventing them from breaking your line. Engaging max drag can also shorten the fight, conserving your fish's stamina and your own. However, always be cautious, as exceeding your line's limit will result in a snap. For advanced techniques, combine max drag with rod pumping to gain line quickly. Always pay close attention to your line tension and the fish's movements, making small adjustments as necessary. Experiment with various drag settings to develop a feel for different fish species. Remember, upgrading your reel and line will allow you to safely utilize higher drag settings for even bigger challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.